There we go, we are live. Stream is running. Let me know if anyone is going to join, we will see. Oh, wait, I have to do the chat. I need to do the chat actually. Good morning, Joe. Ayo Woa. It is you, man. Thank you for watching. I do remember you. You're from the private group as well. Nice to see you. Jan is here. Guys, today we're gonna do a long stream. So I came on early. Let's see if this is actually good for the algo. We might not even do a giveaway today. We will see. We will see. Let me actually write David for a giveaway. But actually, maybe it would also be nice to do a stream without a giveaway, guys. What do you think? Let me now pull out the chat here. Because I think we should do some streams without a giveaway, because we have the exclusive ones running anyways, so... I want to give a lot of accounts to the people that use my codes. Joe, Ayo actually won one as well. I'm just gonna call you Joe, man. It's too hard. Your name is too difficult, actually. I'm just gonna call you Joe. Alright, let me set up the stream. 1 second. Let me pull out the chat here. Where is it? Properties. There we go. There we go. Now I need to actually wait. I need to reframe it. I think I have to do this every time. But it looks much better, this chat window. It is actually so much better. Now let's make it even smaller. I'm doing well, man. We had a losing day yesterday, though. And guys, I need to tell you a story, man. I am so unlucky. It is insane this week. I need to make sure I don't get tilted. Like, it is, I'm gonna tell you, like, it is so, I'm so unlucky. I'm gonna tell you why. 1 second. Let me switch up, make sure everything is working. There we go. Live P&L is here. There we go. Wait, I need to move this. This is what I want. I forgot to do this yesterday. It looks really terrible right now. This is what I want to do, so I'm gonna do it now. There we go. Capital is what you need to see. You need to see unrealized P&L. There we go. There we go, guys. Now you see the capital. This works. Nice. Alright, so guys, let me know why I'm unlucky. Let me see the chat. It's hard to pronounce for someone who doesn't speak Portuguese. Yeah, it is really hard to pronounce. I mean, my actual name is so difficult, by the way. I don't have a Swiss name. My name is like really complicated. I'm not gonna say it now, obviously, because if I say my name, you would find me. Probably online. It's a name that nobody has, basically. I don't know anyone that has my name. It is actually crazy. Alright guys, so this is why I'm a little bit pissed, guys. I'm a little bit pissed today. The reason why, because I missed the trade and it's not even my fault. I couldn't take the short. Why? Because my FundedNext account disappeared from Tradeify. I had this issue 6 times, and the reason why I keep having this issue is my old partner manager from FundedNext. He actually moved my account to my partner email, right? And since then I have this issue. So yesterday you can see I took a trade, closed the long in profit, and I wanted to short here. I wanted to actually short this level, and all my accounts disappeared from FundedNext. So I had to wait until 10. I reported it at like midnight, and I had to wait until I had to actually wait until 10 AM for them to edit again. So yeah, I'm kind of pissed. This would have been a 1.5 hour trade. 1.5 hour short that I missed because of technical issues, and I didn't take it on my other prop accounts because I use my FundedNext as my master trader account, so it is really annoying. Like, I'm actually kind of tilted, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually kind of tilted. Wasn't the plan yeah, I'm kind of in a mood for streaming, guys. Like, because the thing is, now if I stream, I'm not gonna force any trades, obviously, because I'm gonna wait for my trades as always. And yeah, it's kind of good to do like talk with you guys, because I'm kind of tilted today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually kind of tilted. Because I would be up today. It would have been a 1.5 hour. I would have closed it right here. Actually, this was my final TP close to the Orderflow level. So yeah, kind of pissed here. But the main thing, guys, you cannot get upset because of that. It will actually affect your trading. Wait, this chat box is still not set up. Let me do it like this. Yeah, this is much better. Maybe a bit smaller. Doesn't have to be that big. Alright, I think that looks clean, guys. I think now the overlay looks really clean for the streams. Anyways, how was your day? How was your day, guys? How was your day? I hope we can find a nice trade on stream today. Luckily yesterday, guys, luckily the short, by the way, that I had in my stream open, I told everyone in my Discord to close it. So we did go a little bit higher, so I was in a small loss as well from the short, but only a really small one. And I went out of it, so this was the right move though, so I'm happy about that. So we only lost, like, I only lost the two, like 1-2 micro contract trade basically yesterday. So lost $240 on each 50k account. So we are still in green actually we are actually still in green on the week from Monday. So a little bit in green. So it is fine. I mean, it is fine actually. But I would be up a lot actually if this trade, yeah, if I could have taken this trade, but because of the issues, I couldn't take it on my FundedNext account. So it is really annoying. But I do know a lot of you guys had a really good day yesterday as well, actually. A lot of you guys actually made money yesterday. Like, there have been people in my TikTok stream. I was live on TikTok before this YouTube stream, by the way. And like, I did a Swiss German stream. And there were a lot of people that had a good day yesterday. So this is nice to see. This is actually nice to see that you made money, guys. Alright, we are pumping on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is actually moving right now. Wow. Yes, as well. We're getting close to the entry. We will see, guys. We're gonna have big news today, by the way. At 3 p.m. we're gonna have a speech from the Fed chair. So we're gonna have a speech, and we also have a Trump speech tonight as well. So we have a lot of news that we have to keep in mind. Melon, welcome to the stream. BKB Solutions is also here. Today's free giveaway or not, we will see. We will see. We are dumping again. Wow. Pump and dump right now. Wow, that was a big move actually. Also an ES, big quick move. TC Plan is also here. Nice to see you, TC Plan. Yeah, guys, we will see if I do a giveaway. I'm not going to announce it now. Maybe I'm going to do one, maybe we won't. We will see. We do have 2 giveaways running for all the people that use my code though. We actually have 2 running. And there's only 1 entry, by the way. So this guy who entered has 100% win rate right now. And we are gonna roll it on Monday. What are these limits on the chart? Orderflow levels. These are all orderflow levels that I'm gonna trade. We might also look for a Nasdaq trade today, actually. I kind of feel like trading Nasdaq maybe as well. So this is why I have the Nasdaq orderflow open. Let's actually have a look. What can we trade on Nasdaq? What actually can we trade on that pair? We checked it from the value high, same value high by the way as on ES, as you can see here, same value high. I talked about this on my TikTok stream. This is also why I wanted to short this, by the way, guys. We rejected off the value high. I was in a short yesterday that hit stop loss though, and I wanted to short again on the open, but yeah, I couldn't because my FundedNext accounts disappeared. So yeah, this is kind of annoying. We would be up like 6 to 7k actually. I would actually be up 6 to 7k today with this short. So this cost me a lot of money. Like this technical issue they had. And I told them the last time, please guys fix it so I don't have it again. And now it happens for the sixth time or 5th time. Like it is actually triggering me. So I missed so many trades because of this issue already. Like also before. I really hope, guys, this is the last time I will have this issue, man. It is so annoying. It randomly happens anytime. I don't know why it happens. Like it is actually weird. The green ones are the TPs. Yes, these are stop loss. So you can see the stop loss here. This is the entry, and you can see the buy limits and the stop losses here. So this is a buy limit, a sell. These are the stop losses for the sells and the buys. Here, I wouldn't risk much here, guys. I only risk 1 contract. Here, I risk 2 contracts. As you can see, they're stacked on each other. And I risk 2 here. So this is only 1. This is not the best setup. And it got front run today, sadly. I almost took this on my TikTok stream. But it got front run this level. So yeah, let's have a look at Nasdaq. Let's see, what are the Nasdaq levels? Let's have a look at this order flow right here. This is what I want to see. We are loading it right now as we speak. So, well, there's there is not a lot of resistance, man, in between here. It is actually insane on Nasdaq. Like, as you can see, we have what we have is the very high low here that we are about to reach right now. We actually already touched it. Look at this. We hit this low to the dollar on Nasdaq. This is actually absolute low already. I think I'm not gonna long this. This is not a nice level to long. This is like, we have a huge gap here. So we can drop fast on ES as well. We can drop fast on ES and on Nasdaq. So I might not even take this long, actually. I might not even take this and wait for this one. And then we scale in big on this one. I might actually remove this, guys. So keep watching my stream because I might actually remove this one. I'm gonna go in with 3 then here. Then we can have a big trade from down here, which I think is a much cleaner entry. Why? Because we have an order flow level. We actually have an order flow level. I'm gonna show it to you right now on ES at that level. We are at an order flow level now as well on ES, by the way, but this is not a really clean one. No, this is not a clean one. Why? Because we don't have a lot of support. A big gap again. Big gap, I mean. And this is the next one that I'm definitely gonna long here. Like 7466, guys. This is a really, really nice long on ES. I'm gonna take this. I have it placed already. And I might do this and move the entry here to this other level. Depending how fast you're gonna dump. But I would like to get into a sell, then we go lower and we're gonna long this level. We have, what else is the question here? Let me see the chat. Lindrid Musi. What is the best behavior at those strong lick zones to go against that volume for continuation or to trade for reversal? So there are different ways to trade these levels. This is always the thing with trading. Look, I'm gonna show you an example. So let's say you would have seen this level and you would have shorted this. We retest this almost to the dollar at 7549. As you can see, this was at midnight. I also tried to short this level, by the way, but I couldn't, as I said. And then we dumped, right? And so you can take this trade with a 10-point stop loss. You can take it with a 5-point stop loss. You can take it with a 20-point stop loss. You know what I mean? So it always depends. So if you take it with a 20-point stop loss, I usually only trade the best levels that also line up with technical levels because I take a 20-point stop loss. But I know there are people in my group, actually. There are people in my group that trade this with a really low, really tight stop loss. One of them is Abby and he trades the Nasdaq levels. So he mainly trades Nasdaq. I'm not sure if he trades ES still. He told me he really likes Nasdaq the last time I spoke to him. But yeah, he trades these levels with a really tight stop loss usually. But as I said, so I'm going to look for one nice entry now on Nasdaq as well. So we have this level. I'm going to show you an example now on Nasdaq. We have this level, 29714. Is it not very high? Not a point of control. It is. So these levels, this is a time point of control. So the price has been back then for the longest time in this whole intraday session. For the longest time at this level. And there are also volume, and these are the green lines. So the green lines are the volume lines. So there was the most liquidity at the green lines, and the time has spent the most, the price has spent the most time at the yellow levels. Hope that makes sense. So green liquidity, yellow time. All right, we are gonna go over to daily Nasdaq levels right now, because I want to look at these are the high time frame levels, order flow levels, and the other ones I just showed are the low time frame levels. So the high time frame levels are usually better for trades with a wider stop loss. And the sessions are usually better, but this is the thing, I would always combine them. So if you see, I'm going to show you an example. So these are the high time frame levels that are also posted in the private Discord, by the way. So we have one at 30,127 right here. So I'm gonna go back to the intraday levels right now. So let's see what we have there. So 30,100. So this would be at the low. So you can see we don't have any other level here. But if you look at the volume profile here, right here, we did have quite a lot of liquidity at the low here on Nasdaq. And this would be the entry right here. So this is not a bad entry. So you could put the stop loss below the last session we had here. This would be a nice invalidation for the trade. And look to trade it higher. We also have one at 29,700. This is far away though for today. But this would be the better level because it's further away. So, and it is probably also, I'm going to look at the technical analysis. Yeah, and look at this. Wow. Okay, this is a really nice long. 29,670. We have also a daily high time frame level on Nasdaq. So I'm actually going to place a trade right here just in case we go that low today. This is a trade I'm definitely going to place. And we have the anchored VWAP as well. Wow. Beautiful. A lot of levels at the same price. This is actually what I want to see. Wait, now let's see. 29,700. Where is it on the chart? Right here. So I'm gonna mark this out here on Nasdaq quickly, so I have it on my trading view chart as well, the Orderflow level. 29,700. What was it? Make sure it's this right one. So you can see this is also important. Here it's 30,127. I usually put the entry a bit higher. And we have 29,670. Oh, and look at this, guys. It is actually also the range point of control. So we have an order flow level. We have an order flow level here, a daily order flow level. We have an intraday session level. We have a range point of control. You have all your free confluences, and we also have. Do we have it? No, we actually don't. So we don't have a nice open as well. So I would have liked to see like a 1 hour open at the level as well. But we have one right here. So there are now two options actually for this trade. So this is this level I'm also gonna mark out here on the chart. This is actually a really nice technical level. So we have a 1 hour level and we have the order flow level. I'm gonna put this as order flow level. Order flow, there we go. So yeah, this is a nice entry. I'm gonna place one here. I'm just thinking, should we wait for this level? But then we can maybe miss this order flow level trade. So these are both two nice entries. So if we put the entry here, let's see, we're gonna risk, how much are we gonna risk? $100. Yeah, if the stop loss below here, it would be $300. That's quite a lot for a Nasdaq trade. I usually like to risk like $200 to $100 on a Nasdaq trade with one contract. Yo, bro, what did you ask? Sorry, 1 second. What is better at those high liquidity zones? To go for a reversal or a breakout trade? Usually a reversal, but listen, it depends on the market structure. So, for example, if the high time frame, if we are bullish on high time frame, which we still are actually on high time frame, but we are in this downtrend, then I like to look more for the longs, and I only look for the shorts that are really far away. So the best entries for the shorts that are the furthest order flow levels away. So this is how you should look at this. You have to combine it with market structure. It's really important actually. For all the people that are in my private group, you should always combine these order flow levels with the market structure. So if you have a bullish high time frame structure, you should look for more longs than shorts. That doesn't mean you cannot short, but then you only take the best shorts, you know what I mean? As you can see now, 30,127. I'm gonna put the long, so I'm gonna put the long here. I'm actually gonna put the long here, guys. I really like this level. It is not the exact order flow level, but we still have the order flow level as confluence. And what we can also try, I'm gonna risk 200 on this one on Nasdaq. What we can also try is one small one here, a quick 3 hour trade. This one I'm gonna close really fast, and we're only gonna risk $100 on this one. So we have these two Nasdaq trades placed now. So as you can see now, this is the next one we could maybe also trade, 30,127. And this is a nice example. This is really close to a 1 hour technical level. This is, yeah, it is actually a 4 hour level, by the way. So we have a technical level and an order flow level at the same level. This is a nice confluence as well. So this could also be a long maybe. We will see. It is not the best one. Why? Because we're at the high of the range. Here we are in the middle of the range. It's a safer entry. Please contact me to my new ID. What do you mean new ID, my friend? What do you mean by that? You can change your ID on the website. Make sure you log in under my website and change the ID. Wait, I have to actually, wait, I forgot that. I have to add my website to the stream chat pinned. So with 11 viewers, not that bad for an early stream. So let me link my website for all the new people. I have free guides as well, guys. I have free guides. Free trading guides and giveaways. Everything is on my website, guys, and on all my tutorials. On all my tutorials I do have video examples of trades that I took live. Wait, why can I not post my website? What is going on? What is going on? Why can I not... Wait. Oh, now it worked. That is weird. That is really strange. Alright, it works now though. I couldn't post it the first time for some reason. That's really weird. So we are waiting, guys. Nasdaq, I don't want to rush into longs on Nasdaq here. I'm gonna wait here for much lower Nasdaq. Yes, we can try one long earlier. So I'm gonna switch over to ES again. Ooh. Lost the fib now as well. We lost the high time frame fib. Looks kind of bearish. I might even not long here, actually. I might even not long here. Like, we are below the range, and this is not the best long. I'm actually gonna close this, guys. I don't like this setup. Like, it is an order for level, but it's not the cleanest one. So I would like to go higher for shorts, actually, and wait for the longs for down here. We are gonna do this now, though. I can risk one more here. I'm actually gonna risk one more here. And this one we're gonna close fast, though. Quick 2-hour trade. The other ones we can leave as a runner. There we go. This is much better. I feel much safer doing this, like, actually. But the thing is, we are at the value high, guys, on the high time frame, so we can go quite a bit lower, actually. We have seen a rejection of the value high, so this is not that bullish, actually, anymore. The bullish case would be if we break the high here of the value high. That would be the bullish case, but we lost that one. But we will see. I will look at the order flow once we hit the next level. Maybe we will take a long still. We will see. We will see. But I don't want to put the limit on that level. Alright, what is ES doing? Let me see. 7507 is a daily level. This is close to the long I had before. 7507. What else is this? 7507. Wow, it's actually not even a bad trade though. Like, it could be a nice scalp trade, I'm not gonna lie. I might even try this. And risk only one. We have a daily level here on the order flow. We have a daily level on the order flow. Do we have a session level? Let's see. We don't have a session level. Hey, Fair, welcome to the stream. Nice to see you guys. Early stream today. I'm really early today. And with the low of the session. I mean, it is not the worst trade, but I don't like this gap. This gap is kind of scary too long here. Because if we lose this low here, we are gonna go much lower. We are gonna go much lower on ES if we lose this. So it's kind of, this trade is kind of, if it works out, we will go higher. And yeah, if we lose the low, it can be a really quick move to the downside. Maybe a quick stop loss. But we have these nice technical lows here as well. Technical levels. Smash a like. Nice, guys, to see you here. Even though I'm early today. It is nice that some people are still watching. Did you take any trades, guys? Let me know. Did anyone of you take a trade? We're gonna do some more breaks today on the stream, but guys, we are gonna stream longer. Like, this is a fair deal, I guess. More breaks, but longer streams. I want to see if it's good for the algorithm if I get on earlier. And we also only have real viewers now, guys. We don't have any people that are here for the giveaway. That's the cool thing. I kind of want to see how many viewers I can get just by trading, you know. Like, people, there are still giveaways running for all the people that use my code, like. And I need to chill down. This is the problem, guys. I need more support because I right now have to chill down. I cannot give out more accounts. Like, we don't get enough people using my code. And I want to give like a lot of the accounts to the people that use my codes right now, just so we can grow. And then once we're bigger, we can do more free giveaways again. This is my plan, but I need to grow a bit now. Like if people use my code, we'll do exclusive giveaways, and I will still do free ones, but just not every day. I think it's also better for the stream. My old ID has been hacked. Maybe you got banned, man. Maybe you actually got banned. On the website. Are you talking about the website? There was some guy that used multiple accounts. I banned him. There was actually 2 or 3 guys that tried to abuse the system, and they got banned. What is your name? Oh, it is you. It is you. Now I remember you. It is you from Telegram. Now I remember you, man. I think, right? Let me actually see if this is you. Let me see if it is him. This is some other guy, actually. Yeah, I wrote your message, my friend. I did. Now I remember your name. Like, I didn't remember your name. Nice to see you. I wrote your message. All right. We need patience today, guys. We need actually patience. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna try one here, but I'm gonna try that exact Orderflow level. So exactly below the swing low. So we can maybe take out all the liquidity and then try a small long with one contract. So this is what I would do for this trade. Really low risk here. We're not gonna risk a lot. And we're gonna close it up here. And I might even only risk 50 bucks here. Like, it is more than enough to stop loss. We should not go much lower, because if we go to this here, we can flush lower really quick. So I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, this is clean, guys. Now we just wait. Now we just wait for the limits to fill. We are seeing a lot of sellers though. Guys, what are you trading today? What are you actually gonna trade? We are dumping from the daily VWAP. Let's see. I would like to go to a trade soon, so we can actually have some fun on stream. We are just ranging, really boring. Wait, what was that level actually? Oh, it was the high time from FIB here. This would have been maybe a nice long short entry, but I kind of want to wait for these Orderflow levels. I do think we can maybe go up there still today, and then with a nice entry with low risk. So I'm just going to be patient for that level. I wonder if the longer streams are going to be good for the algorithm. Because I know that now we don't have a lot of viewers, but I think if I start streaming earlier, we can grow into the algorithm a little bit better, even though we don't have a lot of viewers in the beginning. Because most people join later. This is all with every stream. The peak is always at the end of the stream. Like, I always have the most viewers right before I go offline. It's always the same. So I kind of wonder if this is going to work out. I think it should be good for the algorithm, because I think if I start streaming a little bit earlier, guys, we can try to get more into the algorithm. Because a lot of people don't stream at that time, they start at New York Open. So I think it's a good idea. We will see. We'll see how it goes. I can still switch back, I guess. We should also try it later streams maybe as well. Which Orderflow platform is this? This is Exocharts. This is Exocharts. I post all my levels in my private group as well. You can try it out for free. Like it is, you have a free trial for everyone. If you want to try it out, you can cancel before you get charged. On my website, you can check it out. Then you can actually have a look at the same levels I backtested. So I have them backtested myself. Viewers spike at the end because Europeans are getting off work, perhaps. Yeah, I think it's like that, actually. I think it's trtrue. I might go long on 7507. Yeah, I'm gonna go long as well, with a small risk here. Wait, where's my entry? Did I really mess up? Oh, no, it's here, right? Yeah, it is 7509. This is good. I'm also gonna try this. This is a high-risk trade, though. I mean, we have some nice trades placed today, guys. I hope we can take profit. Yeah, Atos is good as well, Poppy. No, Atos is actually really good as well. But I love my extra short template. I would never go to Atos. Like, I have everything backtested, or all the levels I have are my custom levels, and I backtested them. So I can always see the reaction, like after the move happened. I can show you an insane example, by the way. Let me show you quickly an insane example of last Friday, and I'll post the level before it got hit. Let me show you the best trade of last week. And it is all from the Orderflow level. So this was the trade of the last week, guys. This was an actually banger trade. So this is the Orderflow level. I called this out in the chat. I didn't even just post this. I called this level out on the chat multiple times. We also had a daily level here. So we had two levels here. And this was at 7370, as you can see here. And we moved on the same day. So we moved on the same day from this level. So this is a 100 points move from 7370 to 7470. So we moved 100 points from this Orderflow entry. This is a 4 to 5 hour trade with a wide stop loss. You know what I mean? So I had a 20 point stop loss on this. There are people that take this for 10 point stop loss. And yeah, it has been a really insane trade. So this is how respected the levels are. This is the level I tried to short yesterday. A small loss, sadly, and this would have been the best short that I couldn't take of the whole day. Couldn't take this one, so now we have to wait. Now we have to be patient and wait for the next level. Guys, what do you want to see? You want to see this or the order flow here? What do you want to see? Probably this, or let me know. We can also have a look at Nasdaq if you want me to have Nasdaq open. Wow, we had a bullish CD print on Nasdaq at the previous day very low. Did we have any dropped frames? Let me see. Yeah, we had 27 dropped frames. I don't know why, man. We should have 0. But it's not a lot though. I think that's kind of normal. It's 0.0%. Because I think yesterday my stream was lagging a bit. I don't have any good edge and consistent edge. Therefore I'm 300 drawdown on my 50k evil. But I guess this is fully fine, TC plan. Don't worry about 300 drawdown. Literally don't worry. Like for my first L that I have for 2 weeks, this is completely fine. Trust me. Like, you can already be proud of yourself. You should look at it this way. You can be proud of yourself that you kept an account for 2 weeks. Because, trust me, most people that trade prop firms, they lose their accounts in like 1 or 2 days because they're just trading insanely risky. So just take it slow, because this is really important, discipline. If you take it slow now, you can gather more data. You can gather more stats on your strategy. So if you actually manage to survive, even if, let's say you even take 2 months to pass it, you will have so much data about the strategy. The last post is in daily levels. It is from 31 May. Daily levels. I posted in the private group. You are probably not in the daily levels. Oh, this is not that one. Yeah, you have to join the private group. It is free for 7 days. You can try it out for free for 7 days, and I pay myself $200 for the Orderflow software, so you don't have to pay that. I post every day the levels. But even if you don't like it, you can cancel after 7 days. It is completely free to try it out. It is actually, yeah, and it costs $99 else per month. But it is free for 7 days. So if you want to try it out and you don't like it, you can cancel. Like, you can literally cancel, and it won't charge you a single buck. And then you can actually see the level that I just mentioned, that I actually posted. You can see it yourself. When I posted it, I didn't edit the image or anything. You can see it on Discord. Like, it was hit, I had the level posted before it was hit. I even called it out. In the trading chat there, we have a trading chat as well, which is kind of cool. It's a little bit more private than this free one. My problem right now is that most of my levels are valid, but once I stop out on one level, I back up from the other levels, which is kind of bad since the other levels usually end up working out. That is really interesting. So it sounds like you actually often take the early entries that are not the high probability entries. So I would maybe try skipping your first entry and only taking the one you would take the second time, you know what I mean? Or what else you can do is you can reduce the risk on each trade. So for the first trade you take the lowest risk, only 1 micro contract. For the second one you take 2, and you can scale into it a little bit. That would also improve your stats. So maybe try that one out. It sounds like you have to fine-tune your strategy a bit. I finished trading for the day, was just curious. Nice, man. Yeah, nice. Or you can just watch my streams and my Orderflow streams for free. This also works. I show all the Orderflow live anyways. The other one is just an option for people that want the level when I'm not streaming, basically. Because I only stream like 2 or 3 hours a day. Yeah, and it's actually funny. I kind of like now that the group is private. I had a free group for a long time. And people are more active in the private group. It is just how it is. Even though we don't have as many people in there, there's just more activity and more quality. Like, people actually want to trade and get good at it. The thing is, in the free groups, there are always people that don't even take it seriously. And I feel like these people are also more committed, you know what I mean? So I actually I had a free group for a really long time. I didn't sell anything for a really long time. But this is actually a good thing, I think, because you save money if you don't have Orderflow yet. And you can get backtested levels for myself, so it can help out a lot of people. I've gotten good feedback so far. But yeah, as I said, you also can just watch the stream. There is no way, guys. Holy crap, there is no freaking way. I just got a message, and this is insane. My Discord mod, this is a friend that, like, this guy is an OG to the highest level. Like, he has been with me like for 3 years. Listen to this, guys. His name is CryptoBotter on my Discord. Like, I trust this guy. I've never met him in real life. I know he's from Switzerland. I know he's a family. That's it. And we have been like in this trading space for like almost 4 years together now. And he just bought 5 accounts on Apex again with my code. I mean, thank you for this guy. Thank you, CryptoBotter. If you're watching, that is really good for the giveaways, for the free ones as well. I'm gonna actually prove them right now on the website quickly, his entries. W in the chat, guys, for CryptoBotter. I don't think he's watching right now, but I think he will be here soon. So I'm gonna prove it. Wow. Wait, we got some other ones as well, guys. Wait, this is... Oh no, this is the one I approved. Alright, he bought 5 50k accounts. He's such a legend, man. This is insane. Guys, last week, CryptoBotter, last week he bought 550k Apex accounts for like $500 with my code. This was like my biggest Apex purchase from someone. And he had like 20 entries in the end into the exclusive giveaway. So he won an Apex account at least back. He won one 150k account back for free on the last giveaway. So yeah, he will have a high chance to win again. He's probably gonna win another account this week. He's probably gonna win another one. Like, he's gonna get 5 entries now. I'm gonna actually prove them. 5 entries that we see. Yeah, he bought 5 50k accounts. I need to hide this stuff, man. How can I get out of this? Come on. Oh, there it is. So approve 5. Make sure I have the right one. There we go. So he is actually on the leaderboard, guys. Watch this. Let me show you this. He is actually now should be on the leaderboard. If it works, my coding skills, if they worked yesterday. Let me actually pull this out quickly. I want to show you. This is actually really funny. So we have a really cool feature on my new website. I want to show this quickly, make sure I don't have anything open here, that I don't want to share other guys' information. Yeah, this is fine. Oh, this is anyways on the user panel. There we go. I want to show you this quickly. Giveaways, properties, dashboard. There we go. So this is the, if you log into my website, oh wait, it doesn't show. And it's the wrong size. So if you log into my website, guys, I'm gonna quickly show you my website. So if you go to the website satotrades.com, I think you can see it like this. I'm gonna show it quickly like this here. If you go there, you can actually, once you're logged in, this is free to log in. Once you're logged in, you can see the leaderboard here. So for all the people that used my code, you submit it on the website. So you just submit your purchase proof on the website where you bought it. And then you will appear. So as you can see now, CryptoBotter is now on rank 1. And there was another guy yesterday. I started this yesterday. It will end on Monday. So on Monday, this is going to end. So there might be more people joining. We will see. I don't know. Maybe there's going to be more people using the code. But right now, he is at rank 1 with 5 entries. So he has a huge chance to win. Like, you can see the win rate here. I can see it. But he's a huge chance to win at least one giveaway. And we have a 50k Tradeify account that will be given out and a 150k Apex account. So I just wanted to show you this new leaderboard that I actually added. But yeah, thank you again to CryptoBotter. So thank Dolphin, it was the right decision that you gave him so many accounts. He's actually such a nice guy, yeah, that's true. No, I've known this guy for such a long time now. It is actually crazy. He's the guy I trust most in my whole Discord. Like, out of everyone in the Discord, I trust him the most by far. Like, this is the biggest OG. Biggest OG, actually. Is it the weekly? Yeah, it is weekly. It resets every week. Because I reset every week, then new people can also get a good chance. And everyone has the same chance every new week. Because if I would not reset it, someone could just always win, you know what I mean? And if you buy a 50k account, you get 1 entry. If you buy a 150k account, you will get 3 entries into the daily giveaway, and they stack. And on CFD accounts, I will calculate it myself. We are dumping, by the way. It is a weekly one, yeah. Everything is on the website if you want to check it out. Just log in and go to the dashboard. CryptoBotter for president. Yeah, man, he saved my Apex deal, guys. He saved my Apex deal, this guy. Like, my Apex guy, the guy from Apex actually got a little bit upset and didn't give me any more giveaway accounts because I got no commissions. And this was in the middle of June, right? And then CryptoBotter came in. I got some other commissions as well, and then the big one from him. Like, it is actually crazy. And I think he bought some more accounts before as well. Like, it's insane how many accounts he got. I think he has like 15 Apex accounts right now. He actually has more accounts than I do. I need to stack up on Apex accounts as well, but I cannot use my code, which is kind of annoying. I need to ask, like, David. Like, I want to use my own code, right? I mean... no, I can't do that, sadly. That would be too cool, man. I have to pay the normal price, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna ask him that, actually. I know on some platforms it's actually allowed. They're actually allowed. But he's probably gonna give me a code, another code, I think. Like, I don't think I can use mine. Because then I also get commission. It would make no sense, but maybe. It would be good for the stats though. I'm gonna buy like, I don't know, I'm gonna buy like 10 or 15 accounts. 150k accounts, so yeah. I'm gonna stack up anyways. Like, I'm gonna, once I pass my other 150k accounts, I'm actually gonna stack up on like Apex accounts like crazy. It is bringing into an account amount of competition. I mean, that's good, no. It is good for the stream. It is good for everyone, actually. This is the cool thing, because the more people use my code, the more accounts I can give out. Thank Dolphin, my goal will be to give out like 10 accounts every week to everyone that's in the exclusive giveaway. I mean, then people can even win 2 accounts, you know what I mean? They can even win like 2 accounts. in 1 week just by using my code. Nobody else does it like this. Nobody else. So we are probably the smallest streamer, but we have like one of the best giveaway systems, which is kind of funny. 30,200 looks good for a little bounce. Yeah, let's see. I mean, it was the previous level low. We are actually holding that one. It might, yeah, we might bounce. What also is really good with a lot of new buyers, but we didn't move higher yet. But there is strong buying right now. The delta is just going up here, like it is just going up and up. You can always use Apex code, so they have, yeah. True, yeah, I could actually do that. But first I'm gonna ask him, maybe he's gonna allow it. I mean, it would be good for my stats. I'm gonna stack up big on the account if I can do that. It wouldn't, yeah. But I don't think it will be allowed. Like, I would be surprised. Because FundedNext allowed it for one time, like for like a few purchases, and that they told me to stop. Because I obviously get commission, but it's only a small amount, but I don't make like a big amount, you know what I mean? I get like 10%, 10 to 15%, so it's not that much that I get. But it's obviously still a discount. If you use another discount, you can get still 10 commission off, like. But it is, I'm like 99% sure he's not gonna say yes. I will have to use another code. Like, there's no way he's gonna say yes. Tradeify it's also not allowed. FundedNext it's not allowed. So there's no way on Apex allowed, I think. But it would be cool though. It would be nice. All right, ES. What is ES doing? Also the previous day were low. So ES and Nasdaq is at the low of the range. Can we go a bit lower, please? Like, I would like to get into long here. So 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes. I kind of maybe I'm gonna try a small Nasdaq long here. I'm not even gonna lie. I kind of like. The thing is, we should maybe wait, guys. I think we should wait for that level here. If we really want to try an early long on Nasdaq, we should actually wait for this one, I think. And where was it? Let me find it. 30,100 it was. Yeah, 30,127. This would be also, yeah, this would actually be also maybe a really good scalp trade. So it would be here. It's not at the low. It's not on the 5-minute low. We have a 1 hour level here as well on Nasdaq. This might be a good long here at 30k. Actually, this might actually be one I'm gonna risk one here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna have a wide stop loss. I don't want to risk too much on it. Yeah, I'm gonna use a market structure trade here. Like I'm gonna take one at these lows actually. Because the thing is that this is just from personal experience, guys. On Nasdaq, it just loves to take out the lows. It loves taking out the lows and then going higher. You can see it here. You can see it actually here. This is a nice example. So you can see we took out the lows, these lost lows, and then we moved higher. We actually put in a new low, and then after that we moved higher. And here as well, we retested the exact low again here on this massive uptrend and then pumped. And this would be another 1 hour level. And here's the low of the wick, so it is a cleaner entry. And we can actually only risk $50 on this one because we are at the low of the wick, so we can actually do a really tight stop loss. And if this trade goes out, it can be a crazy win still, even though I'll risk really a small amount here on Nasdaq. I'm gonna leave these trades running here. Let's trade a little bit in Nasdaq today as well. I'm gonna go to the Nasdaq Orderflow. But yeah, there is a chance that this could hold. I'm not gonna trade it though. You guys do what you want to do. I'm not gonna trade that. I do think we can go a little bit lower here. Yeah, and this is also the low of the range here. Look at this. We are gonna long right at the low of the range. 29,931. Wow, this is also... Where's my entry now? 29,931. Yeah, this is a really nice entry, guys. I'm gonna leave this one. Really low risk. We're only gonna lose $50 and we can make like $800 on that trade if it actually if this actually is too low. So it would be insane. And I actually already took trades like this, guys. On Nasdaq it is possible to, like, with a really small risk, if you get the right move, It can move so quickly. It is actually wild compared to ES. It is really wild compared to ES. So I'm gonna take a quick 5 minutes break before the New York Open, guys, and then I will be back. I'm gonna take a quick break here. So we are ready with energy. I'm gonna leave the trades running here. I'm gonna wait. Let me show you Nasdaq Orderflow so you guys can have a look at it while I'm AFK. I'm gonna leave open the Nasdaq Orderflow. There we go. And we're probably also gonna leave Nasdaq open here. Yeah, we will see, guys, once you go lower. But I kind of want to try a scalp here. Like, maybe also close it early. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold this one long. I'm not gonna hold this one that long. We are gonna hold these ones from lower much longer. But I don't want to hold this one long. It's still $300 on each account. And I'm gonna go in a lot more on my 150k account, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Yeah, now I'm gonna take a break, guys. I'm gonna be back in like 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Let me put it on the screen here. Oops, what did I do? 5-minute toilet break. Alright, guys. Why do I just 13 viewers? It is really simple because I don't post it on my stream on X. I didn't post my stream at all on X, and we have no giveaway running right now. There are a lot of people that just watch the stream for the giveaways. This is why I'm gonna do some streams where I don't get people from X that only want to join the giveaway. Because I think it's better long term for the algorithm, actually. I don't think these people that join the stream for the giveaway are good for my algorithm. Like, I want the OGs to watch me for trading and not for the giveaways. The problem is over X you get a lot of this traffic that will just join for the giveaways. Like, it is really annoying. But I think we're still gonna go to... I'm on early today, guys. Usually I stream like in 10 minutes. So I'm on early today. I think we can get to 20 to 30 viewers today still. Maybe even more. But as I said... Like, I'm not sure if they're good, these viewers right now. People who discover you, thanks for the giveaways. Yeah, but there are a lot of people that join only for the giveaways, and it's not good for the algorithm, you know what I mean? They will join the stream and leave it again, just for the giveaways. It is bad for the algorithm. What I want is people to watch my stream, like for the trading, and then join the giveaways as well. You know, that's the best thing. But people that only are on the stream for the giveaways are bad for the algorithm, trust me. So this is also why I'm not posting the stream on X. We're gonna have less viewers, it's fine, but we're probably gonna grow better. And I might even not announce the giveaways anymore. I might just do random giveaways on stream. Like, without announcing them. So if I get an account, I will not say today, and we will just do it. Because then people that just join for the giveaways are not going to be able to get into the giveaway. I think we might just have to do this, guys. What do you think? This is a nice idea. And I stop announcing it on X, and we will just randomly do giveaways whenever I feel like it. Like, randomly throughout the stream. I think that's the way. Raid, welcome to stream. Nice to see you here. I heard about you because of a giveaway. I'm here today without the giveaway. That is true. That is true. Yeah, there are some people, but it's not the majority. Majority it's not gonna join again unless I post a giveaway on X. But yeah, we will see. Maybe I should post. Maybe I should post again. I don't know, man. You guys let me know what you think is best. Where is David, by the way? Is he even on? He is actually on. Well, multi-accounts, thank Dolphin. Multi-accounts are no longer a problem, trust me. Like, I detect them all. Like, they are not able to join anymore the giveaways. So I did fix that thing, luckily. We don't have any more FundedNext giveaways anyways. They are done for the month. Oh no, wait. Actually, they start again today. Wait, actually they start again today. I forgot it's 1st July, so I could actually do a FundedNext today. I just forgot. I completely forgot that. Luckily I did the one yesterday. Wait, I need to tell this to FundedNext. By the way, that last giveaway was from last month. Just so they know. Because I sent them today the winner. Yeah, maybe you should do that, guys. Like, I don't know. Only real viewers would be here. Yeah, I'm kind of trying to figure out what is better for growth. You know what I mean? I'm kind of trying to figure that out. Kind of trying to figure that out right now. Yeah, we will see. Also, I'm gonna take a quick break now. I need to hurry actually now. I'm gonna be back in like at New York Open, guys. See you in like 5 minutes. Let me know in the chat what you think. If you have a good idea, let me know in the chat right now. I will read it off once I'm back. Yo guys, I'm back. Man, there is no way Earth is here. CryptoBotter, thank you, by the way. I was talking about you before. Thank you for using the code. That is really nice, man. I was talking about you before. We are dumping. Where is my other AirPod though? Wait guys, I lost my AirPod. Give me 1 second. There we go, we are finally back now, guys. What happened? We dumped. Wow, dumped and had a bullish CD print. I'm still gonna wait here. We have New York Open right now. This is the New York Open actually. I'm gonna wait for lower. As I said, guys, we have ES longs open. We have Nasdaq longs opened as well. Everything is opened. We are just waiting. I want to see at least this level here taken out on Nasdaq for any long. Not gonna gamble here at the highs of the range. This would be really dumb. I've slept through my setup. Man, guys, today I missed a short because my FundedNext account. So I wanted to short here. And then my FundedNext account disappeared from Tradeify. So this is really unlucky. I'm kind of tilted about that. I would be up 6k today. So it is really annoying. So I couldn't take it on my Master Trader FundedNext account. And I didn't take it on any other prop firm account. So it is really, really annoying. Like the short would be printing like crazy now. Nick Love, welcome back. Sharkbite is also here. Nia is also here. The OGs are coming back, guys. Nice. I already thought my stream is limited. Guys, we might do giveaway. I'm not going to announce it on X though. I don't want all the bots to join. I'm tired of all these bots. We might do a giveaway today. We will see. I'm gonna do it randomly as well. I mean, or I can also post it on X. What do you guys think? Should we post it on X or not? It might be good for my stream numbers if I post it on X. We have 22 viewers though. Actually, no, maybe I don't have to post it. Let's not post it, guys. Let's troll all these scammers together. I'm not gonna post this today's giveaway. We're gonna do a one though. I have an idea for one giveaway. We will do one giveaway, guys. Maybe even two. We will see. They're gonna be the free ones. We have 2 paid giveaways running, by the way. Well, not paid ones, but if you use my code, you can get entries. And who is at rank 1, guys? Let's have a look here. On my website, satotrades.com. I'm gonna show it. 1 second. Where is it? And here you can see, by the way, my capital and all the accounts I use to trade live. Let me show you now. Giveaways. Here you can see, guys, if you log in, if you actually log in on my website, you can see this is my name. You can change them. You have to add your Discord. This is how you join the free giveaways as well. Add your Discord, log in, and once I do a giveaway, there will be a live banner how you can claim it on the website. And we have now to the leaderboard for all my supporters that used my code, and this will be drawn in 5 days. You can see the timer here. In 5 days this will be drawn, and we will do it on stream. We'll do it on Monday stream. We have 2 people that joined. CryptoBotter, he just today bought 5 Apex accounts, so thank you to CryptoBotter. Huge W in the chat, guys, for this guy. He actually saved my Apex deal. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this guy saved my Apex deal last month. Like I said it before, it is insane. He bought 550k accounts and some other accounts as well on Apex last month. Like, thanks to him, I had a really good month on Apex, and David was actually happy again. He didn't send me any more accounts. We are filled on some trade. What the heck just happened? We are filled only on the ES trade. High risk trade here, guys. I'm gonna hold this though. High risk, only 1 contract. We can hit the stop loss. Don't gamble. Don't gamble on this one. Really nice though. I like this dump. Could be stop loss. I'm gonna hold it just because it's a decent entry. Like, this is an Orderflow level. It's not the best level. We can easily hit the stop loss. If we go lower, I'm not gonna enter any more trade. I only risk $50 on this trade, guys. Only $50. Right? Is it 50? Should be around 50, I think. Yeah, $50. This is nothing. Like, this is a small trade. So yeah, thank you for CryptoBotter. Oh wait, you cannot see it. I need to go back. Let me show you now. So CryptoBotter is rank 1, right, guys, and Poppy No is rank 2 right now. So there's a high chance CryptoBotter might win again this week, which would be nice. But I think there will be some more entries still to this week. I think we'll get at least 1 or 2 more people that are gonna enter. Last we get 36 entries. But this is really cool, guys. Now you can see your entries and you can see the win rate you have to win the giveaway. It's all calculated with all the entries you have. So CryptoBotter, what is your win rate right now? What's the ranking? So the ranking is for people that use my code on my website. So if you go to my website under prop firms, there are all my codes, and if you use my code, you can submit it on the website, and then I will approve it and give you entries for the weekly giveaway. And every week we do giveaways for all the people that use my code on stream on Monday. Every Monday, and until then, you can buy accounts, and then it resets again. So it resets every week for the whole week. And the goal is to get like 10 accounts to give out every week. But right now we are at 2 accounts. So there's a 150k Tradeify account you can win and a 150k Apex account. And right now there are only 2 participants. So there are only 2 people. So they have a really high chance to win. How to be your moderator, Sato? I think we have enough mods for now. Maybe in the future, once the stream gets bigger, I will add more mods. Alright, we are in a trade. We are still going lower though. It doesn't look too good yet. I'm gonna go to ES Orderflow. I need to see ES now. So this is the Orderflow level I'm traded. This is a high risk setup I told you before. This is the Orderflow level we traded, guys. On ES here, I mean. This is the entry. So it's not the best one, I said it before, but this is a valid, like, small risk trade. Just in case you go higher again today. So I'm gonna risk that, guys. I don't even mind if we lose it. It's $50, like, it is nothing. But we can still make, like, we can still make a ton of money on this one. Like, even with 1 contract, we actually can have a good trade. So it is a nice trade to take for me. Bitcoin prop that I could participate with. We will also do. You can also, if you use my crypto prop firm, Hyro Trader, Sharkbite, Earth, if you use my link and my code, you will also get entries. You will get even more entries because it's a more expensive account. So how I calculate this is by the size of the account. If you buy like a 100k account of CFD accounts, you will get more entries than on futures accounts, just because the account is more expensive. But if you use my Hyro Trader code, yes, you will get entries as well. You will actually also get entries. You just have to submit it. Submit it on the website, prove that you purchased with my link and my code, and you will get into the weekly giveaway. I will calculate the entries for you as well. Come on, we need a little pump, guys. I get my next will do. Yeah, guys, there's no need to rush. There's no need to rush. I'm just saying it because it supports the stream a lot. Like, it supports the giveaway system. It supports my whole giveaway system. The more people use my code, the more free giveaways we can also do. And paid ones. It's just how it is. IQ Capital, yeah, I did check them out. I don't like the rules though. I do not like the rules, actually. They're not as nice, the rules, as the prop firms I use. We are just going lower. Break even still. Alright. I mean, as I said, guys, I don't even care. Like, we're just gonna hold this. We are just gonna hold this. Like, the Orderflow doesn't give us any good sign here as well. It's, yeah. It looks a little bit bearish, but it also doesn't look like a really bearish or really bullish. It's just really neutral right now, like. So we are just gonna hold that. And just trust on the Orderflow level playing out. Alright, a little pump again. A little pump. What do you not like? I need to check the rules again. I checked them like 2 months ago and I didn't like one thing about the drawdown. Like the drawdown, there's a weird rule like with the drawdowns. They had like really weird rules, so I much prefer FundedNext, Tradeify and Apex, like just based off the rules. I just know E8 Crypto or Tradeify. You should try Tyro Trader. They're actually really good. And that's not just because I'm partnered with them. I actually used them myself. They're actually really good. You can trade through Bybit directly. It actually feels like trading your own money. It's so crazy. It feels like trading your own money because you trade through Bybit. Like, it is actually really nice. I think you have to check Earn to Trade. Yeah, I can check that out. I have my FTMO. Nice, nice. Yeah, guys, if you don't need an account, don't worry. Like, you can support me by watching the stream. I'm just saying, people that buy accounts, use my code. It actually supports me. Plus, you can win free account. Like, how cool is that? There is no influencer that gives you like free accounts with like a leaderboard where you can even see your entries yourself. So there's no way I can fake this, you know what I mean? I cannot choose who wins. It's all randomly, like all the rules are also in the privacy settings, now privacy page on my website. The affiliate program is really nice. I'm gonna check them out. Yeah, send me, Irf, you can send me some links. We are pumping, guys. Nice little entry so far. Bullish CD print, I like it. I'm just gonna hold this. We are just gonna hold that now. Little trade though, only one contract. But it can still turn out to, like, even with one contract, guys, once you have more capital, one contract is a lot multiplied on all the accounts, you know what I mean? It is the lowest size I can possibly open here, like the lowest possible size. Little bullish print though, I liked it. Now we need to reclaim the daily VWAP. This is my first goal. If we don't reclaim that, we can still hit stop loss. Or like right now, we can still easily hit stop loss. Even though we saw a nice move. It's not enough though, we are at 0.5 hour. No, actually we're at 1 hour now. We are at 1 hour actually. I used the $50 stop loss, I forgot. We are actually at 1 hour even. 1 hour quick trade. Man, this is a nice scalp. But only with one contract though. So I'm gonna hold this because I don't mind losing $50 and I would rather win like $300. Because that's actually a lot then on all the accounts. But I entered as well there, but I forgot to place the stop loss. How the heck can I place a stop loss after entering? Place a stop loss. I don't know. This is why I never do market orders on TradingView TC Plan. I never do it. I always do, even if I want to go in now, I set a limit at the current price. Because that's the thing, it's the safest way, because then you have no stop loss if you do a market order. That is unlucky, man. That is actually really unlucky. I mean, we'll see, maybe we're gonna go lower. Don't worry, this is not the best trade, the better trades are lower. So yeah. How many people are watching? 18 people are watching, not bad. Not bad for no exposed. This is a little secret stream, guys. It was a limit, but the stop loss just disappeared. I'm sure you did something wrong. Did you use buy limit? Buy limit. And did you place a stop loss far away and entered like the right way? I've never had an issue, never using trade weight, like with placing a limit. Guys, what a nice trade. We are at 1 hour, quick 1 hour scalp. Quick 1 hour scalp of the Orderflow level. Like, if you guys want, close it. Like, I'm gonna hold this one. I don't mind losing, like, it's probably like a 1 or 2k on all my accounts. Not even, I think, with a $50 stop loss. I'm actually gonna put it on the stream so you can see it, that we are actually at 1 hour. This was the entry. And this is the stop loss, was the stop loss here. As you can see, I didn't change that. I need to pull it a bit lower, it doesn't let me, hello. There we go, that should be about right. So as you can see here, we are at 1 hour, guys. A quick 1 hour scalp. Even with low size, really tight stop loss. This is just how impressive the lows are. I just need $38. I should have made $38 on this trade, I think. I'm gonna hold this, guys. Let's hope we go higher. So we would actually, this would be crazy. This would be a 3 hour scalp trade actually. If we go up to here. 3 hour trade. Here I'm gonna close. So if you go up here, we're gonna close, guys, and we're gonna short back for lower. And the good thing is we would actually not even lose money, I think. Yeah, we would lose no money if we lose all the trades here, which is insane. So if this hits take profit, full take profit, we are safe for the day. Imagine it's just gonna go higher and higher all day long. That would be nice as well. I mean, then we would lose these longs. Yeah. I mean, these shorts, sorry, we would lose the shorts, but I would still be up from that trade. I would actually still be up, right? Let's see. Nah, I would actually be break even. If we hit take profit on this one and we actually lose both of these shorts. Are we going lower again though? Let's see. We need to reclaim this badly, guys. We have to reclaim this daily VWAP. I saved my Discord username on the website, but it seems I have to enter it every day. Let me check, that might be an issue. Ooh, with a Barry CD print. No, not a Barry CD print, sorry, a big seller here. We had a big seller that just dumped. It's kind of looking good. This might be the liquidity we need. This guy might be our liquidity that we need for the move higher and for the people that are going to trap him now. This might be nice, guys, if we actually reclaim this now. Come on, a little stronger push here. 7524 is the that I'm looking at, guys. We need to reclaim that. Nice. Strong move. Strong little move, guys. Daily VWAP is next. This is really important, this level. Maybe we're gonna go lower from here. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. See, there are sellers stepping in right at this level. There are actually new sellers stepping in right at the daily VWAP. Come on, we need the buyers now to win. It all depends on the buyers. I cannot have an impact on this. We need now the buyers to squeeze all the shorts from down here and go higher. Reclaim the range. And then trap them in the shorts, and then we can actually move much higher. This is what we need to see. Sellers are kind of winning though now, right? We'll see. 3 minutes for the candle, actually. 3 minutes for this freaking candle to close. Anchor big selling. I'm actually on that trade on Mininesk. Nice guys. Let's hope it works out. I would be happy. It would be nice for all of us who are in the trade. We will see. Right now there's still a lot of sellers, man. Right at the daily VWAP. They are defending this. Yeah, they are like defending it like crazy. We actually had more sellers than buyers in this candle so far. 2 minutes left on the candle, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Come on, the buyers need to step in here. Give us that pump, guys. The thing is, these sells can be, this is sometimes also really nice to see when you're in a long. If we actually reclaimed it, it's good that we had so many sellers here, you know what I mean? Because they will get trapped and they will have their stop loss, and this will push the price much higher because we will trap all the new shorts that opened here and liquidate them. Well, not all of them, depends on their stop loss, right? But we have to reclaim this. Until we reclaim this, I don't know, it looks really scary still, even though we are up. Like, you can close if you want, guys. Lock in 1 hour if you want. Close it if you are in with more risk than me. Close it. Take the 1 hour. I'm just gonna hold here. Because if I don't hold, it's gonna be really boring to stream. Like, it's... And we are only in with $50 risk. It is nothing. So... And I kind of like the entry. I mean, you have a good entry. One contract, $160. Not sure if I should TP. I mean, I don't know. It is up to you. I'm not going to say anything. Easy plan. I'm not going to say anything. Because if we close and then we pump, I will feel bad. You have to decide yourself, guys. Take the profits. Leave it run. I don't care. I'm just going to trade the way I'm going to trade. But I would feel bad. You know what I mean? TC plan. If I say close it now and we're going to go higher, then I'm going to feel bad. I will let that decision to you. I'll leave that decision up to you, yeah. Alright. We need to break that. Then I'm gonna blame you, yeah. I'm gonna blame me, exactly. You have to... It is up to you, man. I mean, $260 is not a bad quick trade. But if, yeah, you can make much more if you go higher. You can actually make much more as well, so it depends. Man, we are fighting against this freaking level. This is insane. It's actually really fun to watch. Like, the buyers are fighting against the sellers. You can see here we had 3.2k sellers and 3.2k buyers. Well, what am I saying? 3.2k sellers and 3.4k buyers is what we had here. So left is sellers and right is buyers. So you can see it's really even. It's really even on the book. It's actually so crazy. Like they are, and they don't give up. The sellers are stacking. They are not giving up, man. I had so many sellers here. You can also see it here, the red line. We had a ton of sellers on this candle. Delta is positive though. Delta closed positive now on the candle. So we more buyers overall on the candle. Alright. Is this it? Can they do it? Or are the sellers gonna win? I'm just gonna hold, maybe move to B. Someone turn off the computers of these bearish algos and institutional traders. Yeah, a lot of algos are trading, that's true. But you know, often these algos are actually good liquidity. I'm not gonna lie. Often they are actually good liquidity. Doesn't mean the algos always win, guys. They also get trapped. They can get trapped like crazy, trust me. So it can be good liquidity. Now we are pumping. Come on, reclaim the steady view up, guys. Let's reclaim it. Should we start a small giveaway for all the OGs? We're gonna do a FundedNext giveaway though. Let me start one here. Come on, let's have some fun here on stream. While all the people that are not here for the giveaways are not here, we're gonna do a little OG giveaway. We're gonna do a secret giveaway, guys, for all the real OGs. We're gonna do a 50k FundedNext account, maybe also an Apex. We will see, but FundedNext I'm gonna do one for sure. Real live giveaway. There we go. Let's start this thing. I'm gonna use like 60 minutes for now. We're gonna let it run. Wait, how do I do this? Giveaways. There we go. So the giveaway is live on my website, guys. Make sure you enter. You just have to create an account, connect your Discord, and that's it. That's how you enter the giveaway. It's really simple. I'm gonna put it somewhere here on the screen. Gonna put it here. We are pumping. Wow, I didn't even notice. We are actually moving. I like this. Wow, this is what I like to see. Now we're reclaiming. There are, wow, we could squeeze here maybe, guys. We could squeeze though. 2R hit on the trade, guys. 2R live trade. There we go. There we go. 2R already hit. Juicy little trade. I mean, almost 2R. Not, I mean, yeah, close to 2R as you can see. At $100, it's 2R. We were close to $100. Nice little entry, and trade Copia's going crazy again. Nivi, thank you. Yeah, that was a clean scalp, man. That was a clean. I need to do this. Sometimes I'm a little bit scared taking trades on stream, like at levels like these. But what we'll do from now on, guys, we can also scalp trade a little bit, but only at the good levels, and we will do it with low size. Like here, I did a really low size trade. I don't even care if I lose that one, you know what I mean? And it was a really clean trade, actually. It was a 2R trade within 30 minutes. I mean, this is actually insane. Like, just think about that. There are swing traders that are waiting like 1 or 2 weeks for a 2R trade, even longer. There we go. We are pumping it. We are squeezing these algos, man. We are squeezing the algos, guys. Congrats to all the winners, man. We got a nice live trade. That's nice. That is nice. I'm happy. So, guys, if I were you, maybe close some gains. Like, don't be as greedy as I am. I mean, 2R is a really good trade on a day trade. You can actually close the trade and be done with the day. Like, it is actually easy, guys. Close the trade. I'm just gonna hold it because I'm not in with that much risk, and I think we can go a bit higher, maybe. But I would, if I would be in with more risk, I would close, by the way. So yeah, take some gains out if you risk more. Nice trade though. How many pips in 2R? And we moved from 7509 up to 7530. And we had a stop loss of 10 points. Yeah, stop loss from 10 points from the entry. And we moved up 30 points. Like, this is really nice. We had a little bit more than 2. Wait, let me see. No, we had a 10-point stop loss, yeah. Really, really clean trade here. Man, the sellers don't want to give up, guys. They are just stacking up here. They are actually just stacking up. Wow, it is looking really good. We actually sniped the low, guys. I mean, this is an insane trade. This is probably the best New York Open trade you can take. You could take the, like, I don't know. It is looking still good. We're up 2.3k with one contract only, with one micro contract, guys. We are up 2.3k with one contract. I mean, this is just... this is actually just crazy. I might even close this soon. Like, it is 2R, guys. We should not gamble too much here on this one. I'm probably gonna close this soon, really. Like, how much more can we make? We can make here, we would make $200, so 4k-ish. It's also, though, it is a really good entry. It is not an easy decision here for me. Orderflow is looking fine. And what did you say, what we up for today? We are up, actually, we're nice. We actually hit the 2R live trade, Norvin. Live on stream. We were waiting for that trade for a long time, and then it hit, and now it's a 2R. I'm kind of thinking of closing and locking in some gains. We should go to this level though, at least. The 1 hour level, I think. Yeah, I might close this soon. I mean, wait, where's my entry? Maybe my sell entry at 7544. I don't really think we can go up there, but... yeah, I'm gonna close it, guys. And I'm gonna close it, just lock in some gains. It's a 2R already. I mean, we should not be that greedy. It was a clean trade. I'm closing it, guys. I'm locking in the gains. I don't think we can go... I actually think we can go higher. So if you want to hold it, you can hold it. I'm just going to lock in some profits here. Alright, so we are going to try a little short, though. I'm not going to short 7544, I think. I do... well, we'll see. Let's see. 7544. I on BA, nice. You can hold it, guys. Maybe you're going to go higher. There's a good chance. I just want to lock in some gains, like... 755, and it was really a small risk anyways, so like holding it, yeah. So I'm gonna enter one here. We are gonna sell this. We are gonna sell here. And I'm gonna do a little scalp here again for 2R this time. We are gonna scalp this one. And actually what we also are gonna scalp is the other order level at 7550. Yeah, this is it. Number 1 chat again. Nice, man. Thank you guys for the support. Give me 1 second. I will read your chat, read the chat. I need to just place my orders. Why can I not place my order? What just happened? Hello? Why did my order vanish? Like, what happened here? Can they please let me trade? FundedNext. Can you please let me trade in peace? Don't tell me you have a bug now on stream. No, we don't. Okay. Why? Wait, why did this disappear? Did I press something, guys? Did I actually accidentally press something? Like the order just vanished. That was so weird. Alright, TP1. And we are going to hold this one as well. We are going to do quick trades here. Quick scalp trades. 2R, that's enough. We don't need more. 1 sell here at the fib, and we have another one at the higher order level and at the range high. So we're gonna try to scalp sell this. Maybe we're gonna go higher though, guys. We have the Trump speech. Don't forget that. Maybe actually we should wait. Maybe we should really wait for that. I will see. Let's see the reaction. I think you can actually hold this trade, guys. Maybe this is one of the trades, if you haven't closed yet, that you can hold the whole day. Maybe we'll see a new all-time high. You never know with Trump. It is actually possible as well. It wouldn't... yeah, it is actually possible. So if you want, hold it, guys. Like, it was an insane entry that we had. Like, a really, really nice entry. News in 2 minutes. Really? Is it in 2 minutes? Yeah, it actually is. Alright, wait. I'm gonna wait a bit with the first entry then. I'm gonna move that up. Thank you, by the way, in the chat for letting me know. I've almost forgot that. I don't want to have a limit cell open right here. By the way, we are going to randomly draw that giveaway, so make sure you join it. I'm not going to wait for the timer to run out. We will draw it randomly, and if you're not here, we are going to redraw. This is how I'm going to protect all the guys from the people that just join for the giveaway. So if you're not here, guys, we will redraw. Don't forget that. And I will draw it randomly. Maybe in 10 minutes, maybe in 20, maybe in a half an hour. We will see. I'll do it randomly. But join it. It's live on the giveaway. It's free, guys. You can win a free account. And make sure, guys, you are signed up with the FundedNext link under properties. We are just pumping, man. Yeah, I don't know. Like this could be actually, maybe we should remove the limits right now quickly. I'm quickly gonna remove these limits, man. Maybe we're gonna see like a big candle. I'm just gonna be cautious here. All right. I'm just gonna be cautious a bit, guys, with the limit. But we have to allow this in mind. So 7554, I can still open it. We are just printed. Like I would be up now even more. It is fine, guys. It was a 2R already. Like it was a 2R trade already. Close to 3R. It is close to 3R now, actually, already. What a nice entry we got, though. Beautiful entry. Can I join again? Yes, you can join again, but you're not gonna be... today you can't join again, no. If you won it 2 days ago, then you cannot join. We are just flying. Guys, what a beautiful live trade. I mean, we are up today. Like, you guys should be up a lot. Maybe if you took this as well. Even if you took it, I think some of you took this with more risk than me. Like, is the guy still here who was in the Nasdaq trade when I entered the years long? You are probably in big profits as well. We are just flying from the entry. Yeah, I should have held it a little bit longer, but it's fine, guys. It was only one contract. Who cares? Still a nice trade, and we are up, so that's what counts. That's what actually counts in the end. We could have also went lower a bit again, like it was also possible. All right, news are done. So we are placing the shorts again now. It was not a really big impact. So I'm gonna again place one here, a sell here. This one I'm gonna hold 1 hour only. I don't want to be greedy. We are gonna stack up on small trades today, guys. We're gonna do a little bit of different trading style today that I like to do on days like these, where we're just gonna take small, quick R trades with a low risk. So we are up already, so we can even lose a trade. I'm gonna take another one here. And this one we can actually hold longer. This one we can actually hold for up to 2R again. There we go. Oh wait, this is the wrong entry. Should be this entry actually. There we go. There we go. It is done, guys. Man, what a beautiful trade. What an absolutely beautiful trade, guys. And this was really a nice live trade. Why? Because we were all waiting together for a long time for this trade. Like, we were all patient and it just played out perfectly. So this is a really nice trade. Because I think a lot of you guys actually took it. Because we were actually I was live for 1 hour, I think, before this one hit. And this is just a perfect example, guys, of patience. Like, I was patient for the entry. We sniped the low. We sniped the exact low after the New York Open. Like, this was the dollar low that we sniped. And yeah, we had to wait for it, but we had a quick, clean 30 minutes 2R trade. It actually is at 3R almost. It is actually it actually hit 3R, by the way. We actually hit the quick 3R trade in 30 minutes now, if you are still holding. So yeah, nice trade. I'm a little bit afraid of this Trump speech today. Like, I don't know if we need to be a bit careful on the shorts here. We have to be a little bit cautious here shorting actually. Because maybe we put in a new all-time high again. I mean, not all-time high, a new high. This is a really good short though. Like, I'm definitely gonna try a short here, no matter what. I am thinking though of waiting with this one, because it's getting really close and I think we can go a bit higher. Yeah, 7565 was the previous day value high. Well, you know what, guys? I'm not gonna take this one actually. I'm actually gonna do it like this. This is much better. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. We have a lot of news. I'm just gonna be a bit safe today. So we are gonna wait for this one. Why? Because of the previous day value high, as you can see here, 6565. And on the other end we have the previous day point of control and an order flow level. So this is really nice. Yeah, this is the plan. So if you want, actually you can hold the long up to here. This would actually be a 4R long if you're still in. I think you can actually go up to here at least. Yeah, this is how far I would hold it max. I mean, you don't need to hold it more than 4 hours anyways. That's more than enough. Like if you're holding it longer than 4 hours, guys, you're just gonna be greedy. It is just how it is, like, especially on prop firm accounts. Like 4 hour day trade is like you should be done with the day after a 4 hour. With a normal risk, you should be done for the day. And like if you hit the 4 hour trade, don't even take the shorts. Like don't even take the shorts. I would just chill. Like chill for the day, come back tomorrow. Dump all the markets now, maybe. I mean, it would be nice if that happens when we get to our entry. We only have 13 people in the giveaway, guys. What is going on? How do we only have 13 people in the giveaway right now? Make sure you join it. There are only 13 people in it right now. It takes like, well, we are still going higher. Wow, what a pump. What an insane pump here. Wait, I don't have a short. No, I don't have a short on Nasdaq. Good. Oh, this would have been too nice if we would have gotten into the Nasdaq trade. Wait, this is insane, guys. Look at this. The order flow level I talked about before was the dollar low that I also posted in the Discord. Wait, let me show you. It was actually the dollar low on Nasdaq. We should have also longed that. And this is just crazy. I mean, let me show you quickly. Oh, it was not here. It was on this one. I did also share this in the Discord. So I think probably some of you took this. This was at 30,133. This is actually the level I showed on stream from Nasdaq before. And I told you this would also be a potential long. Look what happened on TradingView. Let me show you. We went to this exact low and now moved up. We moved up like 300, 200 points already from this low. Like this was a crazy trade for anyone that actually took this. We are just still pumping. It is actually brutal. We trapped all the algorithms. What a nice reaction. Can you analyze gold? Not right now. I want to focus on ES and Nasdaq on this stream actually. We are just flying. What? Man, I should have held it. I should have held it now, I guess. Would be up one more hour if I held it. So this is my close. So we're 10 points higher even than from where I closed it. I guess I'll take a quick break now actually, after this trade. Quick break, I will be back in like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I was streaming way too long before on TikTok, I'm like really tired already. I was streaming for 2 hours before the stream on YouTube, like I was streaming for way too long. So I need a little bit more breaks today. We are gonna go close to my entry, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna short this one though. This one I'm definitely gonna short, and this, like, we will try it. But we have to keep in Trump's speech is the only thing that really scares me, else it would be much easier long. I mean short. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a quick break, like 5 minutes. I will be back. Make sure you join the giveaway that is live on my website. Make sure you actually join it. Unreal, this trade, guys. I'm back. I'm actually thinking of moving this higher. Let's see. I had to come back early. I was looking at the chart on my phone. Let's have a look at the order flow. Oh, it looks so bullish, man. It is insane. Almost the previous day point of control. Wow, this trade would have been 4 hour, by the way, guys. 4 hour day trade. It would have been a 4 hour chooser. Is anyone still in this? Is anyone still in this, guys? You should be up like big. Like, it's actually insane with the perfect entry. Like, this is a sniper trade, guys. Should we wait? Should we wait for the highs? I think we should, guys. I have this feeling that we're gonna go higher. Like, I actually have this feeling. Like, I don't like to short at this time. I want to short at like 9 p.m, 10 p.m. I'm gonna move this up, guys. I don't trust this, man. Yeah, sadly we closed the long. It is what it is. I cannot change it. We took profits at 2 hour, 2.2 hour. But I don't know, man. I'm gonna wait. I don't trust this. I don't trust this Trump stuff. I think we can take out the highs again at least. And yeah, then we at least have a better entry. I'm not gonna short this, guys. I removed it. Same feeling, yeah. They're not functioning correctly. I'll text you about it. Really? Keeps resetting my display name and removes my Discord tag with every... I need to fix that, guys. Let me actually fix that. I'm gonna fix it after the stream. That is not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, what a trade, man. What an insane trade. Like, I need to, guys, I'm telling you, I need to scalp trade. Like, I don't know. I see this happen a lot. We need to start scalp trading a bit, like with low risk, even with one contract. This was a 4 hour day trade. And we might even go to 5 hour, like what? On ES in like 1 hour. On stream, like it is just insane, guys. That was a really nice trade, nice. I'm happy because a lot of you guys took it. A lot of you guys actually took it, which is nice. This makes it even better. So let me know in the chat, did you take the trade? Let's see who took the trade. I'm gonna make a quick vote. I wanna know, guys. I wanna know. Like, I wanna actually know this. Who took the same trade? Me, I didn't. So leave a vote, guys. I wanna know. I think at least like 4 or 5 people must have taken this. Like at least 4 or 5 people. Yeah, see, there are only like 3 or 4 people now. That is nice, guys. We are up. We are up on this nice entry. Holy bottom tick. Yeah, it was crazy. Man, there are actually quite a lot that took it though. And also quite a lot that didn't take it. I guess some of you don't trade Nasdaq. Or ES, I mean. What a nice trade though. 40% took it, so that's not bad so far. 44%, it's going up again. It was actually a 3.8 hour trade. So TC Plan longed Nasdaq when I longed ES, which is always a good idea. No, not always, but most of the time, because if ES goes up, Nasdaq is also gonna go up. So nice, 3.8 hour. That is nice, man, guys. Send the wins in the Discord. Send your wins in the Discord on the daily P&L. That would make me happy. Send them in the Discord. There are quite a lot of people that didn't take it, guys. For all the people that didn't take it, let me know why did you not take it. I mean, you don't have to follow my plan. I'm just curious. Do you not trade? You probably don't trade ES, I guess. You guys probably don't trade ES. Alright, I'm gonna close the poll. There were at least like 5 or 6 people though that took it, which is nice. Was not on the charts, alright. Yeah, okay, I get it. Yeah, we are gonna do this more on stream like this. This is much better. Because I notice this in my strategy. Often like these lower time frame levels also play out. And I'm just gonna trade them with low risk. Alright, we hit 7450 now. This is actually also a level, but I think we're gonna go higher. We will see. No bearish CVD yet. Posted it nice. Let's see. 3 RR trades. Oh, he forwarded it. Let me see. Oh, that was Sylvan. Nice. Sylvan actually longed it. 3.8 R from him. Nice. We're still moving. Text you about the issues. Yeah, thank you, Kuri. I will have a look at after the stream. I'm gonna have a look at all these issues after the stream. Before it was working fine. I guess my last prompts changed some stuff. Can we go to the next entry, guys? What do you think? So 755 is an Orderflow level. Let's actually mark that out. I mean, guys, we really need futures accounts from FundedNext. I told them about this, by the way. But people need to sign up with my link to join these. They told me they can only do it if people sign up. Like, they can only give it out to people that sign up with my link. So they will always check. But hopefully they're gonna give me a feedback and we will get some accounts as well, especially for the exclusive giveaways. Some futures FundedNext accounts. So I had a call with them yesterday. I explained them my whole idea. Still looks really bullish. We are just flying. It is actually insane. So good we didn't take the first short, guys. So good we didn't take the first short. That would have been really... I looked at the Orderflow and it just looks so bullish. Like, there are just new buyers stepping in and in and in. And look at how clean this bullish CVD print was. We had such nice bullish CVD print at the lows. This is also why it was kind of... why I thought we are gonna go higher, because I had a really bullish Orderflow at the lows. And not at the highs, at the lows, I mean. So down here we had a lot of... ton of bullish CVD. And we are just flying. Like, all these shorts, they got wrecked now. We had already a lot of liquidations on this candle, by the way. I just wrote you a DM with some bugs on the page related to the giveaway section. Thank you guys for this. I will try to fix it today. Doesn't look bad. EA markets, guys, I would use the props that are on my website. Like, these are all the props I use. I don't use any other prop firm than the ones I promote. So these are actually the best prop firms in my opinion. So yeah, have a look at on my website. There are all the links. And if you buy something, you can also submit it. You will get entries for free. So you can win free prop firm accounts every week. And they're actually the best prop firms. It is not even because I'm partnered with them. I reached out to them and got partnered because I used them before. They do payouts, they have fair prices, they have the best rules. So yeah, I would get max funded on all these first. If you're max funded on all these prop firms that are on my website, then yes, then you can use another one. But I would not use any other one than these four. Unless you have full, which I don't think you guys have. Or maybe there is one person, I don't know. But if you have maxed accounts on all these prop firms, yes, then you can actually look for other prop firms. But I would use them first. They are all of them are good. You place the limit at 7583. On your order flow, what's there that tells you to short then? It's not 7583. It is 7563 actually. This is my entry. And we have an order flow level that I posted in the group, in my private group there. And I showed it on stream as well before. It is this, let me show you. It is this order flow level. 75, oh wait, it's not this one actually. Let me see again, 7554. It was here. Let me quickly check. It was on this template. 7563. Where was it from? So we have what we have. Yeah, what we have first of all on ES. We have the last highs. As you can see, this is the last high. Exact last dollar high. And we have here, we have this Orderflow. We have the previous day very high at 7565. So there's another confluence. And we think we have also here, let me see, check again. No, we have this one only. Yeah, we have this one only actually here. Yeah, we don't have another one here, another Orderflow. We do have the highs of the last day though, so this is the last day. As you can see, this is the exact high from yesterday. So we should see some reaction from there, or maybe we're just gonna squeeze through it. I mean, this is also possible, guys. Like, it is possible that we're gonna squeeze through it as well. But we can still exit if there's no reaction. I can still exit the trade. So I'm gonna have a look at the order flow once we fill that level. There's a chance we go higher, there's definitely a chance. It's so funny how Orderflow and TIA can come to the same level. Yeah, sometimes they are combined, and this is usually the best thing. If technical analysis is combined with Orderflow levels. Not all of the technical levels are, but a lot of them are actually... some of them, not all of them, but if they line up together, it's the best. So this is what I also look for. Alright, we are gonna draw the winner now for the giveaway. So I'm gonna draw this actually quickly on stream. Guys, make sure you are signed up with my FundedNext link. Make sure, please. Because if you're not signed up for these giveaways, for all my FundedNext giveaways in the future as well, you have to be signed up with my link. They will not send you the account. Yeah, so just so you know. The link is the one on my website, so under prop firms, you have to sign up on that one. Alright, we are gonna draw this winner right now. Let's see, with 18 people in the giveaway. No bots in the giveaway, not a single bot is in this giveaway. This is amazing. Good luck to everyone. This is for a 15k FundedNext account. Oops. There we go, it's live again. Still drawing. Whoa, Crypto Butter, there is no way. The guy who uses my code all the time wins. And guys, he doesn't have a higher win rate, by the way, on these giveaways. Everyone has the same win rate. Like, even though he bought accounts, only the exclusive giveaways, there it matters if you buy an account. The free ones, if you buy accounts, it doesn't give you a higher win rate. So he is insanely lucky. This guy just won an account yesterday, man. He's insanely lucky, this guy. Congrats to Crypto Butter. He's a true supporter that used my code. That is amazing, man. Why did it stop for a second? It's because I went out of the tab. I'm not gonna do that again, but trust me, guys, I cannot influence the giveaways. He's just insanely lucky, this guy. It's actually funny. So, Crypto Butter, I need your email on FundedNext. I need to know which, if you want MetaTrader 4 or 5, let me know. I will end the giveaway now. Congrats to Crypto Butter for winning this account. There we go. Man, he's... That's crazy, but he's actually a true supporter, so it's nice that he won. Can you please change the background music? What do you want to hear? I can switch to something else. Let me know if you like it. It is hip-hop music though. Like, I cannot use a lot of music. Like, it's all like beats, random beats. Karma for buying all the accounts. Yeah, true. That's actually good. I can, guys, do you want to hear this here? It's like, I don't know, it's a no copyright playlist. I switched to music. I don't know. If you don't like it, let me know. Let me know. It is a little bit different. I can still switch back. I cannot use copyright music on stream though, that's a little bit of the thing. We didn't hit the Orderflow level yet, almost. Almost hit that one. Much better, bro. Yeah, let's change the music up a bit. Even though there probably will be some people that are not gonna like it, but yeah, I think it's better we switch around a bit. I just hope it has no copyright, man. It shouldn't have copyright. And it's actually not a bad playlist. I listened to it myself as well. It don't like rap beats. It's kind of cool and there's no copyright. It's actually not bad. That's new, I like it. So the affiliation with MFFU or FF. Yeah, we can try that, guys, but right now I'm actually happy with the prop firms I have. Because the ones I have are higher quality than the ones you mentioned. The ones I'm partnered with are better quality. MFU is MFU nice? I don't know. I will have a look. Send me the links, guys, via DM. And you can actually, even if you guys, if you want to be if you want me to be partnered, this is a really simple thing you can do, by the way, to also support the stream. If you know a good prop firm and you want me to be partnered, try to reach out and send them my website. There's all the contact information on my website. Tell them you watch a streamer. He would actually like to get partnered with you. Music is good. Value low is good for us. Listen to you, nice. Yeah, I don't know why Lucy doesn't want to partner, man. They have too many influences already. We are dumping. I mean, I don't care what happens. We are up on the day. But I would like to get into a short from here. Not gonna be greedy. We have the Trump speech, guys. We have the Trump speech today. This guy can influence the chart like crazy, so I'm gonna be really careful here on the trades. And maybe he's gonna tweet something again before the meeting. I don't know. This guy's just 9:15 PM. Well, it's only at 9 PM. But still, it can still have an impact before. It's probably also, this pump might even be a little bit because of the speech. Now I'm in a better mood. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna use some different music from now on. Yeah, I had my earlier limit right here. No, I actually had it here. No, this was the second one. So the second one, this is my other one, you're right. First I did here, then I moved it up to here. But it would not have gotten hit yet. But the Orderflow level was actually hit probably. So yeah, let me see. So it would not surprise me, guys. Yeah, look at this. I mean, it is just absurd. It got front run by like 2 points. So this was the Orderflow level that got front run so far. There was another one here though. There was one here at 7550. Look at this here. And we are just dumping from the level. It is insane, man. Like, Orderflow is just absolutely crazy. Like, all these levels are so often respected. It's just absurd. I just wish we would have gotten to my other entry here. I mean, I didn't have this placed now, but this would have been nice. If you have it placed, I mean, if some of you have it placed, it would have been nice that, yeah, you're in the trade. Nasdaq, can you show? Yes, I can. This is Nasdaq. Wow, Nasdaq. Oh, no, wait, this is not Nasdaq. I'm still on ES. I was gonna say. There we go. So we have a lot of liquidity at 30,650 on Nasdaq. This might be a nice short, maybe. 30,650. And the next big one is at 29,700. So there's not a lot in between. And this was the trade, by the way, of today. I also showed this before. This was the level I mentioned on Nasdaq. Wait, let me put this freaking giveaway away. Oh wait, it is gone, right? This trade copy is not showing though. So this was the level I showed before. 30,133. Didn't trade myself though, but this was hit. And this was actually the low so far. So yeah, crazy. Absolutely crazy, guys. Orderflow. It is just nuts sometimes how respected these levels are. Yeah, try to email them. I don't know earn to trade though. Are they good, guys? You have insanely high watch time today, guys. It is insane. I think I need to post my streams less on X. I have 20-minute average watch duration of the stream, which is actually crazy. Before it was like 13 to 15 minutes. So the stats are, the streaming stats are better, even though I have a little bit less viewers. I think it is better like this, maybe. And only announce the giveaways sometimes, not all the time. Discord and community is really insane, different from other prop film. I mean, I don't know them, man. I cannot give any feedback. I would have to check them out anyways, but yeah. At the daily open on Nasdaq. I mean on ES, sorry. Yeah, 200 points from the Orderflow on Nasdaq, by the way. 200 points move from the Orderflow. What is gold doing? Let's have a quick look at gold. Wow. What? The gold Orderflow looks absolutely bullish. Holy crap, it looks insanely bullish, like there is massive bullish absorption. It is actually crazy. Wow. And we did move all the 100 points, I mean, on gold. Oh, it is looking so bullish. Like massive sells, but we are just going higher. It is actually crazy. That looks so bullish. Holy gold is actually looking so bullish. Might have to look for some longs if we go lower. Can you tell me about the 7536 on Orderflow? I literally have the level marked for long, maybe. There is none on 7536. On ES, right? On ES 7536. So with the daily VWAP, I mean, this is kind of close to the current price. Let's see. We have one at 7530. We do have one at 7530 now. 7530.5. That's not touched yet. We are still flying. I bet you should, yeah. I mean, you can reach out to them, Fair. You can reach out to them and yeah, let's see. But I will have to check them first. I don't know them yet. We are moving slowly up again. It is insane. This long, we could have really held it like strong. It was a really nice long actually. Sounds like Sarah in here. What is Sarah? What is actually Sarah? It is just boring, guys, when you're not in a trade. Like, it's so much more fun to stream in a trade. It is actually so boring. And I talked way too much today. I'm actually kind of noticing how tired I'm getting. Like, I was streaming 2 hours on TikTok before this YouTube stream. 2 hours. Might actually go off soon, like, and take a break. Like, I streamed like 4 hours already. It is actually really exhausting to stream that long. I didn't expect that. We are moving though right now. We are actually still moving higher. Kinda would like to stream longer though, it would be good. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I've streamed like 4 hours already. It's actually crazy. Can we go there, guys? What do you think? We still haven't touched the other Orderflow on ES, so we still need to break through that. Maybe try a small short there. I'm kind of deciding here, like... For the stream it would be fun. It would be really fun for the stream to get into short, but I kind of want to wait for the high. But for the stream content it would be more fun, like it is getting boring. It's kind of... The stream and not being in a trade is actually insane. I need to really buy some like fun accounts as well. But I don't know, maybe the stream quality would not be as good. So it's probably also not a good idea. But it is a valid short, don't get me wrong. It is a valid short, but I kind of think we can go a bit higher. So it is only 5 PM. I do really think we will go up there, maybe even higher. So I'm gonna wait. I have to sleep. Good night. Good night to you. Thank you for the stream. No problem. I'll see you again. Thank you for watching, by the way. Someone called me. I don't know who the guy is. Someone actually called me. It says number not known. Okay, man, have a good night. See you. Yeah, very good night to you. I really wonder, guys, if FundedNext is gonna give me more accounts. I really wonder. It would be really nice to get some futures accounts from them. I'm still waiting for the response. They haven't responded yet. So we are dropping. We did front run this level though. I actually feel this music so hard. Yeah, it's much better. Must be the Sarah manager about to ask you to stop using their playlist. What are you guys talking about, man? You are trolling me. You guys are actually trolling me in the chat right now. Stop trolling me, guys. Talking in like a weird language. I don't know what you guys are talking about, man. Can we do something? Like, we are just ranging. We are actually just ranging. This is still bullish, I'm not gonna lie. We are not dropping, we are ranging at the highs. Sarah, yeah, I do know the clothing store. Of course I do know that one. No, but why did I do know that brand? I do know that brand, but why did you like? I didn't get what you meant by it. Naz is bearish, sorry. Norvin is here, man. Welcome, Norvin. We are chilling. I don't know. I don't see a trade here yet. I want to wait. Like, this would be a valid trade at the PSA point of control, and we have an Orderflow level. But I have a feeling that we are still gonna go higher. Like, I have this feeling that tells me not to short here because we are gonna go higher. So I'm just gonna wait. Oh, that's why. All right. I was just thinking, what are you talking about? They actually have similar music like that in the store. All right. I didn't know that. That's interesting. I kind of like this music though. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually really relaxing as well. They make you feel like you are at the Ibiza beach bar. Yeah, true. It must have a reason, right, that I have this music. Maybe it's actually smart for me to use the same music on stream. Norvin, did you see this beautiful trade, man? Did you actually take... Oh, you said you didn't take it. That was a beautiful sniper, man. Holy sniper entry. We entered at 7509 and we went up to 7555. And guys, I had a 10-point stop loss. So this is actually a 5-hour trade, no, 4-hour trade, by the way. 4-hour trade. Quick 4-hour day trade, I mean, insane trade. Sadly, only with one contract, Norwin. I took it only with one, else I would be up even more. But it is fine, it's still a nice win. I'm gonna take that win. I'm not complaining, guys, about the win. Like, why would I even complain about winning money? Like, this makes no sense. Like, Nasdaq is dropping. Let's have a look here. What is Nasdaq doing? Maybe the high is in. I mean, this is a resistance level, guys. It could be that the high is in, which is fine. Why? Because we can long again, maybe. I'm happy if we go lower as well. I don't mind. Like, any entry that gets filled, I'm happy. We actually should place some longs again. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot placing the longs again. So 7464, I don't think we're gonna go there. Like, there's actually almost no way we're gonna go there. But I'm gonna place them just in case, because I definitely want to long that. So we are entering 1 year. Let me pull it up so you can see it. I'm definitely gonna go in here with some size, not with one only. 1 or 2 or... Yeah, I'm definitely sizing up. So wait, we have this one, we have that one. I want to hold... Oh, this is actually the sell. Oops, almost moved the wrong one. Wait, where's my other TP? Oh, wait. This is this one. Wait, what is going on? Where's my other TP? Oh, it is right here as well. Okay. So we are gonna move one higher. One, we are actually gonna move much higher with this one, but I don't think we're gonna go here, guys. So I'm only gonna place 2 anyways. Like, if we actually go there, I don't know, there would have to be some big news coming out for us to actually go down here. This is the first one, the safest entry of the day. And maybe tomorrow we're gonna go there, guys. This could be a really good trade for the week, by the way. This level here, 7465. 7466 is the level. I'm gonna place it a bit higher. The Orderflow level is a little bit lower. I always like to place it a little bit higher just in case it's a front run again. And because of the price difference as well. From the micro contract. Let me see now. What else do we have? $75.30. I don't really like that though. Like, I really don't like that entry. We traded the better level before. I'm not gonna long this again. I mean, I don't know. Maybe with one, but I don't think we're gonna do it. Yeah, I don't know. We don't have any other good level. Wait, let's see the daily quickly. We actually traded the perfect level of the day already. Yeah, this is the level we traded. Like, the move has happened from the level. Now we have one. Okay, wait, 7525. That actually is a little bit better. Let me see on the technical analysis quickly. Do we have anything there? I don't think we have anything. That's the problem. Yeah, we don't have anything. Not even... No. I'm not gonna long this. I'm not gonna long this, guys. Like, we don't have any level here. We don't have any tactical level. We only have the order flow level. We will see. I mean, if we see really bullish order flow, I'm gonna long it. Let's put it like this. But I want to see the reaction. I don't want to put a limit. I definitely don't want to put a limit on that level. I want to see the reaction once you go there. This is much safer. It is here. It is that level right here. It's the previous level low. Okay, this is the previous level low with an order flow level. We don't have a technical level. Might be a valid one contract long again, actually. The more I think about it, maybe we're gonna do it. I want to see the reaction though from the level. I'm gonna wait for the reaction. This one we will place, and maybe if we go down here again, we can trade it again. Maybe it is actually still again a nice entry here now. 5-minute level. So maybe re-enter this, or we go in here with a small amount of at the previous level low. But this is for tomorrow a really nice level, by the way. 7466. So keep that in mind. If you don't hit it today, this is a nice one for tomorrow as well. Nasdaq, we have 7994 for a nice long, maybe for tomorrow. I don't think we're gonna go that low today. And 79714, this is a really nice level, and the best one is this one. 79647 is a really, really nice long. Yeah, we are just moving higher again. Alright guys, I'm gonna go offline. It was a nice quick stream though. I streamed way too much today. So I'm probably gonna go offline soon. We are pushing again. Yeah, I know we're pushing, but not high enough yet. So the giveaways really helped the stream though. It is really funny. It makes no sense. I have much higher view duration, but not more viewers. So it feels like YouTube is not pushing the stream as hard as when I do giveaways. It is really strange. So what was my peak today? We were at 25 viewers, which is actually not even that bad. We had 22 minutes of average view duration, which is really high actually. Quantity for another project. Let's see if you're interested. Could be interesting for you, for your community. Yeah, let me know. Crypto Butter. Send me a DM. Yeah, I'm gonna go offline though, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my day. I was streaming for 4 hours today. I'm actually getting really tired, and my throat is hurting because of all the talking. Like my throat is actually hurting. I've never had this before when I streamed. So I'm gonna take a break. We will be back tomorrow again. Nice trade, guys. I mean, I don't know. Like I don't even want to trade much more. We're gonna wait for the levels. We had a nice free 2-hour trade. It went up to 4-hour now. Maybe it's gonna go to 5-hour. 2 days trade, live taken on stream. I don't know. Good day, really good stream. See you again, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go out. I need to go for a swim. It's actually really nice here in Switzerland. I'm gonna go for a swim now. I'm gonna go for a nice swim and then trade for myself a bit. And then maybe I'm also gonna go hit the gym. So I'm gonna relax a bit. I'm actually so done. It was kind of exhausting streaming that long. Alright guys, see you in the Discord. Send your profits in the daily P&L on the Discord. And see you again. And if you want to support the stream, use my codes, submit it on the website. We have 2 giveaways running on the website, exclusive giveaways. They will actually end on Sunday. And we will draw them live on the Monday stream. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you had a nice